Algae are a natural component of the ecosystem. One of the important things about algae, though, is the timing of when things are happening in the ecosystem. If you think about the young fish coming out of the gravel, the young salmon coming out of the gravel, they need to have food as they're emerging from that gravel. That's going to be in the late winter, in through the spring, onto early summer. And so they need to have lots of food available to them. To set up for a lot of food, the primary foods for them are going to be the benthic macroinvertebrates, insects, larvae that are living in the river. Those are living off of algae. They're eating algae. So we need to have algae building up in the river to have those insects so that they can provide food for the fish. Now, there's an important ecological concept here of disturbance. That's something that ecologists talk about that resets a system and allows it to build up in a proper way. That disturbance needs to happen at the right time. And what we're seeing here at Rush Creek is that disturbance happening. We've just had a storm, the creek is up, there's rocks rolling down along in the river. Those rocks rolling through the river are scouring out the algae, clearing it out, so that it can be reset and start building up properly. And if it happens in the winter, that allows the algae to build up a little bit of a layer. The insects come in, colonize that. They're using that algae as habitat and start growing the insects in that algae. And then as the fish are emerging, those insects are available for the fish to eat.